Hey there! In last week's video I built a smaller version of this tool. It went alright until I got this huge tear out. I tried using wood glue and sawdust as putty, and after sanding it still looks bad. Okay, plan B. I think maybe some grooves could cover up the tear out. So let's prepare the router and try it out on a test piece. Now it just looks like decking board. I'm not a fan. Alright, instead I'll remove the glue. It leaves a smooth groove that actually feels kind of nice. Maybe if I lean into that, it'll turn into a cool surface and hide the damage. And now I realize I absolutely hate it. Somewhere along the way I definitely took a wrong turn. But hey, I gained some experience and it's stable. Comment down below if you have any advice on how to save this. Like and follow for more.